Hello. Instead of going to the store buying toilet papers as if there's no tomorrow, why not install a portable bidet in your bathrooms? You see, I got this idea when we went to Europe last year. I bought this item from Amazon, and the first thing you'll do is to prepare everything that you need. Open the box and take everything out. Examine each items and make sure everything is accounted for. It happened to me in the past where I decided to use the item right away without examining it, and next thing you know, some of the parts are either damaged or some parts are missing. So this will save you a lot of time. Now this will be the tools that I'll need to install it. First thing you'll do, turn off the water source, which the valve is normally located under the toilet. Now turn it clockwise towards the right. Empty the water tank by flushing the toilet. Remove the top cover. Flush the toilet again to make sure that the water has been drained completely. Remove the seat cover using a Phillips screwdriver. Wipe and clean any excess dirt using a tissue or a paper towel. Apply Teflon tapes on all the pipes. Now, before disconnecting any kind of pipes, make sure you get a container to catch any excess water that could drain on the bathroom floor. Now you can disconnect the connector by turning the knob counterclockwise. Now apply another Teflon tape on the pipes that has been worn out. This is just to give you some reassurance that no water will seep through the pipes. Now connect the dual connector that came with a kit. Then reattach the connector to the dual connector that came with a kit. Now once you have everything in place, make sure you tighten all the knobs. You can also use pliers to tighten all the knobs, but don't put too much pressure because some pipes are made of plastics. Now you are ready to install the bidet bracket. Now this will be installed underneath the seat cover. Reattach the seat cover using the plastic screws by using a Phillips screwdriver. Apply another Teflon tape on the plastic connector. This will make sure that there's no water leakage. Now, as the last step, apply the flexible pipe connector from the bidet connecting to the dual pipe located underneath the toilet. Now, once you attach all the connection, now you can safely turn the pipes so it will be out of the way. Now you can also use a plier just to reinforce the connection. Make sure there's no water leakage. Now that you completed all the connection, now you can turn on the water and reapply the tank cover. And this is how it looks like after it's done. Now I applied a saran wrap just for demonstration so you can see it. Now this is how it looks like on the flip side. Now this is the rear spray. And this is the front spray. There you go. Thanks for watching.